Hello grade 7. Today we are going to learn something very useful, not only in school but also in real life. Merge in Microsoft Word. So before we proceed to our performance task, before I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to complete this performance task for creating a merge. So ato sa hibawon og unsa man ning merge. In simple words, merge lets you create one document and then automatically fill it with information from a list. Para di na ka mag-type ug balik. So, usara ka document ang imong i-create even though you will have to create a lot of certificates, letters, but with the use of merge, with the integration of merge, we can create it at once. So, imagine you are making a 10 birthday invitations for your classmates. Instead of typing each name, date, or address one by one, you just connect your Word document in an Excel list. Dito makita ang imong mga list sa imong padalhan o invitation letters sa Excel siya makita. And we can create automatically a 10 birthday invitation. So karon, what are the benefits of merge? Una, it can save time. Kay dili na ka magsagi copy paste or type ug balik-balik sa imong content sa imong letters or invitations or sa imong merge. Then we can also avoid errors because kay consistent ang format and spelling. Kay usara ka document ang imong gamiton for example, napo kabuok imong himuon, usara ka document para sa napo. So dili na ka maghimo og napo ka document, mag-type ka og napo kabuok document. So na ay chance o mag-type ka, na ay chance nga you can create or make a mistake in typing the spellings, the format, and so on. Then lastly, it is also useful for certificates. Ang merge is useful for certificates, invitations, letters, directories, or even grades report. So, kaning merge is para ni sa daghan tang buhaton para madali ang atong mga buhaton sa pag-type, pag-encode, or paghimo og usa ka document. So, now, let's proceed to our performance task for titled Creating a merge Certificate. So here, we're going to use a merge to create a certificate of recognition. So let us read first the scenario. So naatay background ug unsay atong himuon ug unsay atong basihan nga mga lista. So, you are Sir Kagaya Obayashiki, the class advisor of grade 7 mapagbigay. At the end of the quarter, you need to prepare certificates of recognition for your 10 honor students. So naakay since 10 honor students man imong himuan og certificate of recognition. So naakay na po ka certificate nga himuan. Their recognition is based on their general average. So ang ilang recognition base sa ilang general average. We have with honor 90 and 94. Then we also have with high honor, which is 95 to 97, and with highest honor, which is 98 to 100. So mo ni atong basihan sa ilang recognition. And instead of manually typing each certificate, so namatay na po, instead nga mag-type ka og napo ka buok certificate para sa napo ka honor students, we will use merge in Microsoft Word with a data source in Excel. So kani siya mo ni atong data source nga i-type dito sa Excel. So ato ni kaning data source gikan sa Excel, mao ni ang atong i-type dito og i-connect sa merge. The certificate must include the names of the students. So naay names of the students, their average, so that's why naatay average diri and their honor rank based sa ilang average. Mo honor rank based sa ilang average. The certificate will be signed by Sir naman siya din sa Tanjiro Kamado, which is si Sir Kagaya Obayashiki ang inyong advisor, and Mrs. Risa Ipigte ang school principal. So karon, so as what I said earlier, we will create a certificate of recognition for our 10 honor students. So instead of manually editing 10 certificates, we'll only make one template. Naratay usa ka template nga basihan, and we will connect it to the Excel and let Melmerge do the magic. Pag-create usa ka certificate para ra sa napo ka honor students. So mo ani ang atong template. This is our template. This is our certificate template. So mo ani atong basihan paghimo og certificate. So, let's start. So, karon, step 1 is we must prepare that data source. So, this is our data source. So, how to do this? First, we have to open Microsoft Excel. So, dirita, sunda lang ni ang arrow, ganing naglihok-lihok. So, kani siya the start button. Then atong pinduton pagitaon ang Excel. So this is Excel. Double click the Excel. Then aton ni pilion ning blank document. So we have here the Excel. Na open ang Excel. So karon balik ta sa atong data source nga atong basihan. This is our data source. So para di na ko maglisod, I'm going to copy and paste na lang ni sila tanan. But I will encourage the students to type them one by one sa Excel para ma-practice pod, in order for you to practice your typing skills and to enhance your skills in typing, as what I said. O arong kuan pod inyong mga arong ma-improve pod ang inyong skills sa spelling and formatting. So, for example, here the first row is name of student. You have to type name of students. So, you have to adjust this. Control A. Let's wait for a minute. It's bold. The next is average. Average. The average. Then last is the honor rank. Ato na siyang kopyahon. Honor rank. Let's bold. Now, so I would like to encourage everyone to type the name of the students, the average, and the honor rank one by one based on our data source. This is our data source. But in my case, I will be copy and paste this data source para dali lang ang atong tutorial karon. So, copy and paste. So, we're done. So, ato nang na-copy ang atong data source. So we're done to our data source, and after that, after finishing all students, save the files. We have to save the files. So we have to save these files. Go to File tab and save as. So now there is a download na to save, and you have to type the file name is grade G7 underscore mapagbigay underscore honors underscore data and save. So we're done saving our data source, and now let's proceed to the second step, create the certificate template. So let's proceed to the certificate template. So this is the certificate template we're going to use. Muna atong i-copy paste. So but again and again, I would like also to encourage the students to type the template one by one, to type the certificate one by one. So but in my case, ahoran siyang i-copy paste para dali lang. So dilitas blank document. Ayan, Control V. So pero sa and let's, if you want to change the orientation of our certificate, we have to go to the layout and orientation, then landscape. But if you wish to nga i-portrait gihapon siya, it's up to you. I-portrait lang gihapon siya, but in this case, let's have to change the orientation to landscape. So again, type the certificate content given. So you have to type this one, the first document, and this is the name. This is the name of students. So here is the honor rank. Here is the average. So let's format it neatly. So before we have to create a mall merge, let's first format. Let's do the formatting of our certificate. So sa headings, this is our headings. So our headings, we have to change the font size, the font style to Arial. We have to change it to Arial, and the size is 11. And now this certificate of recognition, we have also changed the font style to Eras Bold ITC. Let's have to find the Eras Bold ITC, letter E. This one, Eras Bold ITC, and the size is 28. So let's change it to 28, and let's bold it. Let's do and bold the certificate of recognition. And now the student's name, this name of students, we have to change the font size into Arial, and the font size is 22. And let's proceed to other details. So the other details here, to the last, for achieving, to the name of the principal, to Arial size, Arial font style is Arial, and font size is 16. So 16, we have to done. So adjust everything. And we have to save this. So we have to save this. Certificates underscore G7 underscore mapagbigay and save. And now let's proceed to step 3, which is the mail merge process. So how to do it? On the menu bar, so this is our menu bar, or the ribbon tab. So this is the ribbon of our, so in the menu bar, click mailing. So we have to click the mailings tab, and start mail merge. So we have to click the start mail merge and letters, and we're done. The next is select or click select recipients. So select recipients, this one, and use an existing list. So atong pangitaon, so we have to find, locate, and open our Excel file katong data source sa Excel nga grade 7 mapagbigay honors. So ato to siyang gisave sa downloads, o kani ato siyang pinduton. We have to select this and open and select OK. And now we are done. After that, click the insert mail merge field. So we have to click the insert mail merge field. So name of the students. So we have to, this one, we have to highlight this and click the insert mail merge. So we have to choose a name of students. Then we have to highlight the honor rank and click insert merge field, and choose honor rank. And lastly, we have to highlight this, the word average, and choose average. And we're done. And right after, we have to click the preview results. We have to click the preview results to check. You should now see the first certificate with Tanjiro Kamado's details. The first student in the list, which is C. Tanjiro Kamado. So this is the preview results. Click this preview result and we can see that it changes to the name of our students and their respective honor rank and general average based on our data source. Kani atong data source based on our, look at this, Tanjiro 98 age average and with the highest honor. So sakto siya. Pag click na to sa preview results, mo ano yung nakita, sakto. Then next, let's proceed to number 2. Ato i-check Nezuko Kamado. Tanawa na sakto ba atong listahan. Nezuko Kamado na as a 96 with a high honor. 96 with high honor. The next is Zenetsu Agatsuma. Si Zenetsu ikatulo. Sakto. Then with high honor 95 ang ikaapat si Inosuke. Tanawa na to ikaapat si Inosuke ba? Inosuke. And next atong i-check og sakto ba tanan. So since sakto man tanan, we're done saving, preview, and so now let's proceed to step 4, which is save, preview, and screenshots. So we have to save our work again. We have to save. We're done saving. Use preview results. So we have to do this, the preview results, and next. So check our certificate if it is correct according to the data source that we have in Excel. Then if we want to have to make our certificate more appealing and nice, more beautiful, or mas nindot, we have to put some designs of our certificate. So you have to find a design. Let's search for a certificate background. For example, I have to use this one. Click that, right click, copy image, and let's go back to our main certificate and right click and choose this one and paste. Then picture format, wrap text, behind text, and drag it let's drag this one and para mas maklaron siya ato siyang iiswag di siya na to. Or we can choose another design. Let's make it simple, just one. How about this one? Para maklaro tanan. Copy, then paste, picture format, wrap text, behind text. So to make it more, we have to add a logo of our school. So we must find a logo to copy logo this one. Logo, copy, let's move and paste. Picture format, wrap text, behind text. Siyang or may pwede ba siya na to i-change? Insert pictures, change device. Para mas maklaro. So we have to put it at the center. Depende na ninyo asa ibutang ang logo. It's up to you. But for me, atong ibutang diri as siya. And we're done. So since you have to submit 10 screenshots of your certificate, so we have to take a screenshot of our certificate. Screenshot of our certificate links. So from the first one, so we have to screenshot. How to screenshot? We have to choose or search snipping tool and new. So screenshot our certificate. By the way, in taking the screenshots, we have to screenshot the whole so we can see this part, the preview results. So since I will be checking if the sequence of our certificate is correct based on our data source. So 1 is Tanjiro Kamado, so ako nang chikon og sakto ba jud ang iyong number 1 nga certificate. So we have to screenshot the whole document with the preview results. Now after screenshots, and let's Shane, after taking screenshots, ato siyang i-copy. Then we have to create another document. So we have to make a new document. So file, new document. Then let us take this and let us paste the screenshots. So picture format and behind text. Copy. So let's proceed to the second. So screenshot lang siya balik-balik dito sa preview result, atong i-move sa ikaduha, madapat matunan na siya. Then screenshot. Then screenshot. Then let's delete balik. Then change picture, clipboard, then copy this one. So ato sa ito na siyang i-copy group. Center. So kani siya atong i-change. So ato na proceed puta sa ikatulo screenshot. then right click, then change picture, then from clipboard. The next one is number 4. Muna dyan buhaton and suod and super kotob sa number 10 ha. Kotob sa number 10. So kotob na naman tas number 4. Right click, change picture from clipboard. So kotob 10 man to ka certificate. So 10 kabuok certificates po ang inyong i-screenshots. And once we're done taking screenshots of our certificate, also don't forget to paste your documentation requirement. While working, you have to take pictures of yourself encoding in Excel or editing in Word. So you have 2 picture documentation pag himo sa inyong kani siya nga nag-encode ka aning data source nato. So dapat ta kay pictures sa imong kagalingon nga nag-encode ka ani, and also you have also a picture of yourself creating a mall merge certificate. So naghimo pug ka na kay pictures sa imong kagalingon nga naghimo ka sa imong mall merge certificate. So imo nang i-post paste diri for example, butang tag picture ng dira ato naman ang i-shape diri So the first picture, your first picture diri is paste. So karon, for example, kani sa picture sa tag picture na ninyo diri naghimo mo og. So here documentation. So encoding the data source in MS Excel. So diri nimo makita diri ang imong picture dapat. Pictures for example. Ayay. Sorry. Bata na picture na nimo dira butang lang tag picture na nimo. Kintahay mo ani imong picture na naghimo ka sa Excel. So kintahay lang ni siya nga mao ni imong picture pag himo og Excel. Ito mo diri So mo ana imong picture nga naghimo ka sa imong Excel. Then diri pod sa ubos is creating mail merge certificate. For example, mo-opening ang picture nimo. So nga naghimo kag mail merge certificate. So kana siya. And ang imong i-print, ang imong i-pass na ho is kana siya nga page o kani siya as well as ang first page kaning first nato nga certificate which is si katong first certificate nato nga si 10-0 kamado ang inyong i-print katong first nga list sa student. So katong kinuunahan nga certificate ang imong i-print, tibuok certificate ang imong i-print kaning tibuok na certificate. So tulo ang imong i-submit sa AKUA. Kani siya ang kinuunahan katong first part kan 10-0 kamado nga certificate kaning screenshot sa napo kat certificate nga naa ang dapat pag screenshots makita ang kani siya nga part kaning preview results, makita siya tanan aron mahibaw-an nako og sakto ang pagkasunod-sunod sa mga certificates and also your documentation paghimo sa encoding the data source in Microsoft Excel and creating Malmerge certificate. So muna inyong isubmit tanan. And consolidate your output in an A4 band paper and compile it in a folder, A4 nga folder. So, and that's it, everyone. You have successfully learned how to create certificate using Malmerge. Remember, this tool is very powerful. It saves you time, makes your work consistent, and prepares you for real life office and school tasks. That's it, and God bless everyone.